Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create dashboards with the help of Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just head over here to the home section and then just search for dashboards here. And after you search for dashboard, you will get multiple templates here. Just look for your desired one. I'll go with this one. Oh, it requires a Canva Pro subscription. So I'll just go with the free one here. So after you get your desired one, just click on customize template and you can customize anything you like. Like you can put your details here, your required informations on your dashboard, and then you are done making your own dashboard with the help of Canva. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.